Dad's remix haircut. You can see on the cover. Anyways, let's put that thing off. Okay? Okay, guys. Let's see what we got. Okay. This is like a golden box. I don't know. I don't need any rares. Oh. I never saw one of these with those. Last time I got it with blue on top. This time I got yellow on top. Oh. It's blue. Cute. Curls. Oh, she has colored outfit. And her outfit should be white, but that's her color change. So they color change when you're in their thing, just so everybody knows. Just keep watching, okay? Everyone just keep watching, all right? Poor doll. All right, keep watching, please. Now it's time for the cool part. I guess I really need this thing to come. Oh, it's just a brush. I don't care about the brushes. You can leave the brushes if you want, like your doll. I don't care about my doll's brushes, but you can. I don't mind if doll. I just don't know what I'm doing. I'm like it, but I'm not. Why would I put my hands up anyways? Why am I opening the box and stop for no reason? Why would I say that? I don't know what I'm doing, but it's just want to keep laughing until I stop. I was just kidding. Okay. Oh, piano, I think. I think it's a piano. Comes with two things you can open up, but they're baby batteries. I don't know. So I know they look like batteries, but they were actually these things, which I already knew. For no reason. I don't know why it's not staying, but here you go. She plays the piano without her shoes? No. She has shoes. Yes, she does have pink shoes. I think, oh, I see it. Don't worry, it's, oh, I found the color change. Her little green shoes, like green ones, color change, but they actually don't. Oh, crows never color change. You know, it's for when you take off all their outfits. Most people know that. Alright, next surprise! Oh, got this headband. I think. Well, should be for a piano. Yeah, it is for the piano. Okay. Got the disc. And now let's see her name. It looks like the name on the disc says Baby Bangle. I think. That's Bangle BB. She's a color changer. She's from the Pop Club. With the hair sticking up on the picture. Now we got one of our new dolls. Oh. She has the colors. I see the yellow thing. See it? Just put it up. The camera? Yeah. Did you guys see it? I was wondering if you guys did. You can always comment about that. Alright. Number 6. Okay, number 5. Number 7, which is only on a yellow. She's on a yellow. I don't know what the music is for this one because I never had her. So, let's see. Okay. Let's play the music because everybody knows this thing is magical and magic band-aids. Like, no band-aids. Like, I didn't need to say that. Sorry. I was going to say that it magically put the things in where you can play. So you can play. It's not playing. Okay. You're going to have to turn it on. Sorry, that was a quick song. If you thought it was quick, subscribe. If you think it was not quick, then put a like.